Alright y'all, quick tour of Robertsville State Park. Just do a quick drive through and see what they got going on here. This is near Union, Missouri, kind of Washington, Missouri, St. Clair, Missouri. This campground is about 5 miles from where I'm RVing now, so I went out to get some breakfast, stayed in the RV for the first time. So me and B. White got up this morning, went to our favorite breakfast. Yes, it may not be the healthiest, but it is one of the best and consistent. Yeah, the McCafe. So I figured I'd swing in here and kind of check this place out since it's close. I don't have to work until 11 today. Do not occupy before payment. I'm sure they have people that come and go. There's the comfort station. We'll come back around. That's a one-way loop. I would have to say that probably would have been a cold sleep last night. It's near freezing this morning. So yeah, they probably have a nice warm sleeping bag. Another. Puma. Catalina. A presidential. It's really amazing how many different types of RVs and names they have. So there's a shower house. You need to go in and get cleaned up. Don't want to use your rig for that. There's just a tenner there, yeah. Special use area. Lost Hill Trail, 2.6 mile loop. And that must be for like a big group or something. There's a bunch of tables back there. Maybe for like churches or Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts or something like that, probably. Probably the host there stays and works and takes care of the place and the people. Yep, there it is. Campground host on duty. These feet, that's a nice little deck out there. I just set up on the deck. Ooh, hop up. Had to be cold last night. Another tenter out on the deck. It's a big tent. No. Here is the dump station. And water. You can get some fresh water right there before you leave if you want to. And that's where you dump all your nasties when you're done, before you take off. So yeah, not a big state park, but a nice, a quiet state park. Looks like lots of people are using it, so that's good. It's good. All right, that's the state park.